had an alter ego a long time ago that I had to stop doing because, man, this character was dynamic on a heightened level and way too energetic to keep up with. One video that I have done from this mysterious mofo was
an explosion! Onyx will make one himself with bread!
So I'm going to upload this here to put a little bit of spark in your inspiration tanks. So here is how you can make your own SFX with whatever is in your own household.
Bread! Contraptions to acquire French baguette, the most important tool for destruction, can be used for a delicious snack as well, but more for destruction dough, a large bin. Get yours today! A mic! Receive a free mic when you invest in this purchased mic that you purchased, which would be that free mic that was promised. Vegas Pro to make your audio. Call now to 1-800. Onyx will destroy you in your sleep! And the evil destructive intent for an explosive audio file! Ow! So let's examine the final results! And a little
So that's it. That voice had me coughing after the shoot. I mean, ooh, woo. I lost my voice on a couple occasions. Anyways, you don't really need a mic. Phones actually capture some great sounds. Utilize that. You just need to lay these different tracks on top of each other on any editing program and play with the positioning. I'm planning to put up more simple tutorials when I have the time. Make sure you subscribe. I'm at work now and I need to clean up and go home. Stay active and definitely don't forget to edit in a bit of joy to your hearts. Let's go! Whoa!
This mother of God, I'm here